Hello students, welcome to all of you. In this video lectures here I am going to explain the topic ellipse. It's a part of conic section. So first of all, what is the definition of an ellipse? An ellipse is the set of all points in a plane, the sum of whose distances from two fixed points in the plane is a constant. The students, see the standard form of ellipse. The standard form of ellipse is x square by s square plus y square by b square equal to 1. In this equation, x is the major axis. Here a is greater than b. So x intercept is larger than y intercept. You can see that this is the diagram of this type of ellipse. This is oval shaped. This portion is major axis. It lies along x axis, and this portion is minor axis, lies on y axis. The students, in this ellipse there are two focus, f1 and f2. Okay, together we can say foci, and a line, a chord passing through the focus L1, L2, and here L1 dash, L2 dash are called latus rectum. Latus rectum. And these points A and B are called the vertex of this ellipse. So students, these are some informations. We have to find out the coordinates, the lengths, and all the informations that I have told you. F1, F2 are the focus, and L1, L2, L1 dash, L2 dash is called latus rectum. A and B are called vertices, and center is O, right? AB is major axis and CD is minor axis. So let us find out some information from this ellipse. Coordinate of focus F1 is c, 0, and focus f2 is minus c, 0, and c can be found out by using a into e, that I will discuss later. E is a constant and a is the OA. The distance origin to A is A. Total distance is twice A, and this part is OA is A and OB is minus A, right? So the coordinate of A will be a, 0, and coordinate of B will be minus a, 0. So the major axis AB, the length of the major axis will be A plus A twice A, and length of minor axis will be twice B, right? Length of minor axis is twice B. Coordinate of C will be 0, B, and coordinate of D will be 0, minus B, right? Next, as I have told you that the chord which passes through the focus is called latus rectum. The length of this latus rectum will be 2b square by A. So students, I have a chart. I hope you can understand. You can compare the two types of ellipse. First of all, the two types of ellipse equation will be x square by s square plus y square by b square equal to 1. A is greater than b. And second type is x square by b square plus y square by s square equal to 1. A is greater than b. So in this equation, x is the major axis because A is greater than B here, and this type of ellipse, y is the major axis because y intercept is greater than x intercept, A is greater than B, right? You can see the diagram. This type of ellipse having diagram this type. Here AB is the major axis, and this is the y-axis is the major axis, and y-axis AB lies in y-axis. So the various informations are listed here. Center of this ellipse will be 0, 0. Center is C actually. Okay, this is the center. Its coordinates are 0, 0. Here also 0, 0. Vertices plus minus a comma 0, and here it is, since it lies in x-axis, so plus minus a comma 0. Since it lies in y-axis, so 0 comma plus minus a. Foci plus minus c comma 0, because it belongs to x-axis and it lies in y-axis, so 0 comma plus minus c. Directrix x equal to plus minus s square by c, y equal to plus minus s square by c, right? Directrix is nothing but the boundary. This is in this parabola, this line is called directrix, right? And next is length of latus rectum, as I have told, 2b square by a, is also 2b square by a. Length of latus rectum. Eccentricity, the value of constant eccentricity E is nothing but c by a. As you can find out c, a into e, so e equal to c by a, then its value is root over 1 minus b square by a square. For this type of ellipse it is same. Major axis, for this ellipse it is x-axis, and for this type y-axis. Minor axis, for this type of ellipse y-axis, and for this type of ellipse x-axis. Length of major axis is twice a here, and length of major axis is twice a. The length of minor axis is twice b. End points of latus rectum, that is the coordinate of L1, L2, minus c, comma plus minus b square by a, L1 and L2, and L1 dash, L2 dash is c, comma plus minus b square by a. Right. So these are the coordinates of these 4 points, L1, L2, L1 dash, L2 dash, and for this case b plus minus b square by a, comma minus c, right, for these two, and for these two plus minus b square by a, comma plus c. So students, see the various points lies in this ellipse. In this ellipse, focus f1, coordinates are c comma 0, f2 coordinates are minus c comma 0, vertices a, coordinates a comma 0, and b minus a comma 0. Major axis AB is twice a, minor axis CD is twice b. Length of latus rectum is 2b square by a. For this type of ellipse, focus f1 0 comma c, f2 0 comma minus c, vertices a 0 comma a, b, coordinate of b 0 comma minus a. Major axis is AB, length is twice a, minor axis is this CD, twice b, and length of latus rectum is 2b square by a. So I hope student you understood the basic concept of ellipse, the difference between the two types of ellipse. Okay, so how to identify a ellipse is of which type of ellipse? So basically you just see the intercept of x and y. If the intercept of x is greater than intercept of y, then it is a first type, and if the intercept of y is greater than intercept of x, then it is of second type of ellipse. So students, I hope all of you understood. Now based on that, I will discuss few questions. First one is, in the given ellipse, find the coordinates of foci, the vertices, the length of major axis, minor axis, the eccentricity, and the length of latus rectum of the ellipse. So the given ellipse is x square by 36 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. The given ellipse can be written as x square by 6 square plus y square by 4 square equal to 1. Here a equal to 6 and b equal to 4. So you can see that x intercept is more than y, a equal is greater than b. So this type of ellipse, major axis is x-axis. So focus lies in x-axis. So coordinate of vertices are plus minus a comma 0, that is plus minus 6 comma 0. Length of major axis twice a, 2 into 6, 12 unit. Length of minor axis 2b, 2 into 4, 8 unit. Coordinate of foci f plus minus c comma 0, where c equal to a into e. A into e is eccentricity. The value of e is root over 1 minus b square by s square. So root over 1 minus 4 square by 6 square, it is nothing but root over 5 by 3, right? The value of this, value of e we have got root over 5 by 3. So the coordinate of the value of c will be ae. A is 6 into root over 5 by 3, so 2 root 5. The coordinate of foci will be plus minus 2 root 5 comma 0, and length of latus rectum we have the formula 2b square by a, so 2 into 4 square by 6, it is 16 by 3 unit. The next question is, the question is same, only the equation of ellipse is 36x square plus 4y square equal 144. So dividing in the given equation is this, dividing both sides by 144. So 36x square by 144 plus 4y square by 144 equal to 1. So it forms x square by 4 plus y square by 36 equal to 1. So x square by 2 square plus y square by 6 square equal to 1. Here the y-intercept is more than x-intercept. So here the major axis is y-axis. And here a equal to 6 and b equal to 2. So the major axis is y-axis here. The coordinate of vertices will be 0 comma plus minus a. So 0 comma plus minus 6. Both the vertex coordinates of vertices. Length of major axis twice a, 2 into 6, 12 unit. Length of minor axis 2b, 2 into 2, 4 unit. Coordinate of foci 0 comma plus minus c. C, the value of c is ae. E is eccentricity, so e equal to, the value of e equal to root over 1 minus b square by s square, root over 1 minus 2 square by 6 square. So root over 1 minus 4 by 36, root over 32 by 36, 4 root 2 by 6. So the value of c will be 6 into 4 root 2 by 6, 6 is cancelled, 4 root 2. So coordinate of foci f 0 comma plus minus 4 root 2. Okay, so because the value of c you have got 4 root 2, so since it lies in y-axis, so its coordinates will be f 0 comma coordinates of foci 0 comma plus minus 4 root 2. Now length of latus rectum is same, 2b square by a, putting the values 2 into 2 square by 6, it is 2 into 4 by 6, it is 4 by 3 unit. So students, the next question is, find the equation. Now in this type of question you have to find the equation of the ellipse with the help of the given conditions. Here the conditions given, vertices given plus minus 5 comma 0 and foci given plus minus 4 comma 0. So vertices given plus minus 5 comma 0, it means that the vertex lies on the x-axis. So the major axis is x-axis here, so a equal to 5. Now foci is given plus minus 4 comma 0, there is c equal to 4 here. We know that c equal to a into e, so a into root over 1 minus b square by s square, it is the value of eccentricity. Now a into root over s square minus b square by s square, and it is nothing but root over s square minus b square, so we can write c square equal to s square minus b square. It is another result we can use, c square equal to s square minus b square. So with the help of this, c is given 4, a is given 5, we can find out b square equal to 9, so b equal to 3. Hence the required equation, as it is lies in major axis is x-axis, so the given equation can be written as x square by x square by s square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Hence the given equation x square by a is 5, so 25 plus y square by 3 square, that is 9, equal to 1. This is the final answer of this given question. So student, next question is find the equation of ellipse given that end of major axis plus minus 3 comma 0 and end of minor axis 0 comma plus minus 2. So major axis lies in x axis as it is major axis, so a equal to 3 here, and minor axis lies in y axis, so b equal to 2 here. So it is very simple. So equation can be written as x square by s square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Hence putting the values, x square by a is 3, so 9, x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1 is the answer of the required ellipse. So student, next question is conditions given, find the equation of the ellipse given that length of minor axis is 16 and foci is given 0 comma plus minus 6. So length of minor axis means what? Twice b. Length of minor axis is twice b. So twice b equal to 16, so b equal to 8, right? And foci is given 0 comma plus minus 6, that is c is given 6. So we have a result c square equal to s square minus b square, right? So c equal to root over s square minus b square equal to 6. So s square minus b square equal to 6 square is 36, right? With the help of this result we can put the value of c is this root over. Now from this we have the value of b and we have the value of c also, we have put 6. Now the s square equal to 36 plus 64 is 100, a equal to 10 units. So the required equation is as the given question that major axis is y axis, so the required equation can be written as x square by b square plus y square by s square equal to 1. So x square by 8 square plus y square by 10 square equal to 1, which is x square by 64 plus y square by 100 equal to 1. So students, next question is find the equation of ellipse center at 0 0, major axis along y axis and passes through the point 3 comma 2 and 1 comma 6. So since the major axis is given y axis, so we can write the equation of the ellipse as x square by b square plus y square by s square equal to 1, because here the major axis is along y axis, so y intercept is greater, a is greater than b here. So this is the standard form of equation of this type. Now as this ellipse passes through 2 points 3 comma 2 and 1 comma 6, so putting first point 3 in place of x and 2 in place of y, so 3 square by b square equal to 2 square by s square equal to 1, which can be written as 9 by b square plus 4 by s square equal to 1, putting equation number 1. And second point is 1 comma 6, so 1 square by b square plus 6 square by s square is 1 by b square plus 36 by s square equal to 1, putting equation number 2. Now let 1 by s square equal to u and 1 by b square equal to b. So equation 1 and 2 reduces to 9v plus 4u equal to 1 and v plus 36u equal to 1. Now solving these two equations using by elimination method, so multiplying 4 by 9, we have got 9 into v plus 36u equal to 9 into 1, so 9v plus 324u equal to 9. So subtracting 3 from 5, so we have written here 9u plus 324, 9v plus 324u equal to 9, 9v plus 4u equal to 1. So we have got the value of u equal to 320u equal to 8, so u equal to 8 by 320, so 1 by 40. So the value of u, we know that 1 by s square, so 1 by s square equal to 1 by 40, so value of s square equal to 40, right? Now from equation 4, putting the value of u in equation 4, we can find out the value of b, v equal to 1 minus 36u So 1 minus 36 into 1 by 40. So 40 minus 36 by 40 equal to 4 by 40 equal to 1 by 10. So the value of v is 1 by b square. 1 by b square equal to 1 by 10. So b square equal to 10. So we have got the value of s square. A square is 40 and b square equal to 10. Hence the required equation is x square by s square. X square by b square, because the major axis is y axis here. So x square by b square plus y square by s square equal to 1. Hence the required equation is, answer is x square by 10, because b square is 10 plus y square by 40, value of s square is 40 equal to 1. It is the final answer of the given question. So students, I am ending today's video lectures. I hope all of you